Hey guys, good morning. It is a Monday. I have a 7:40 a.m. It is not my favorite day. First of all, I want to say that for this video, I've partnered with FabFitFun, which is something I'm so excited about. This is a company I've been wanting to work with for a long time, so I hope you guys are excited as I am. If you have never heard of FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box and it comes with like fashion, lifestyle, beauty stuff, and it comes 4 times a year. Each box is $49.99, but it comes with $200 worth of stuff, so you do get your money's worth. I also have a coupon code that gets you $10 off. So you can get your first box pretty cheap. My code is AC10. So if you guys really want to try FabFitFun but don't want to spend that much money, that's $10 off right there. My box just came in the mail, so I really wanted to open it with you guys. So first of all, the box looks super cute. This is exciting. There's like this magazine. It basically kind of explains like what's in this box and how to use it, which is super useful. I don't know what brand this is, but it's called Rachel Pally. Let's open it. Oh my god, I think it's a bag. Oh my god, this is so cute. If I had like a tablet, this would be perfect, honestly. And there's this eye mask by Free People. That's extra. It feels like it has those like gel beads on the inside. Why didn't I have this last night? Oh, this feels so good. I've always wanted one of these. You use these to like roll over your muscles if they're super sore. $50 off coupon to HelloFresh, which is so sick because if you want to like live a healthy lifestyle, you gotta eat healthy food, right? Next thing is it kind of looks like a perfume. Oh my god, no, it's a candle. Oh my god, and it's so cute. It literally smells like Manhattan Beach, like what it says in the front. The little light blue pouch, it says Maya Brenner on the front, Los Angeles. It's jewelry. It just says love. Oh my god, all you need is love. A guava body butter by Kors. Oh, it just smells good. Your girl gets ashy, so thank god I needed some lotion. Next is this Dove exfoliating body polish. That's cool. Nail treatment. Treat yourself. Murad skin perfecting lotion. Last thing in this box looks like a makeup palette. Lip statement palette. Oh my god. So it's packaged really nicely. So I'm gonna peel off this plastic. Oh, you can see my camera. LOL. Awk. This is so cool. What's really cool about these is that you can like mix these colors together and really make your own color that you would want to wear for that day. So this is super nice. So I want to thank FabFitFun for sending me that box. That's super nice of them. Again, if you want to get your own box, you can get $10 off your first box with my code AC10. I've rambled and I've like spent a lot of time this morning opening this box. It's already 6:52. I'm probably gonna hop in the shower super fast, do really quick rinse, and then I'm gonna come out and then get ready for my day. It's already 7 and I need to leave here like in 25 minutes. Oh gosh, it's stress time. By the way, if you guys notice this like little mark right here, it's because I burned my face while curling my hair and it's like finally peeling off. I'm gonna add this skin perfecting lotion. Let's see how this does underneath my makeup. It smells good. And I'm also gonna moisturize the rest of my body with this Kors body butter that smells so freaking good. It literally smells like guava smoothie or something. I like. And I'm gonna do a super quick makeup because I have like literally no time at all. Let's do this. You guys, I am ready for the day. Kind of. My hair is so wet right now. I'm about to leave for class. Sadly, I can't bring you guys with me because I can't film in a classroom, and yeah, it's just a little bit awkward. But I will film again when I come back. I wanted to show you guys my outfit really quick. Simple gray top. I'm wearing my double necklace, and I'm doing this like double denim look, but I'm like really feeling it. I'm gonna go to class right now, and I will talk to you guys later. I got some packages. Right now my hair is a pretty big mess right now. You know, naturally dried into its very wavy, crazy state. I came back from class finally, and at the door there were literally so many packages, you guys. I'm gonna open them in front of you guys and make this like a little unboxing haul. Those are always fun to watch. It looks like this one is from Sky Organics. Oh, it's decorated for St. Patrick's Day. A little bath bomb kit. Oh, they smell so good. Oh, whoa. It's a ton of makeup. These are a ton of Revlon lipsticks. Oh my god. This one's super, super big. This one is literally just a huge box of Equal Tools stuff. Some sponge wedges. I need another one of these. Oh my god, this is so sick. There's so many brushes in here. This is so cool. Thank you, Equal Tools, so much. That is so kind. I don't get packages like this every single day. You guys are just lucky enough to witness an excessive amount of free stuff given to me. Oh my god. Whoa. Revlon went above and beyond and they sent this huge box. I can barely get it out. Wait. Come on. Work with me. Work with me. Ugh. Okay. So it looks like this. Very large. It barely fits into the camera frame. As you guys can see, there are a ton of foundation colors and oh god. It's called Insta Filter and it has a little sponge at the tip. So there's some highlighting palettes. I see some like little color correcting concealers and then you lift. Oh my god. Wow. That was a lot of stuff. I don't order any of this stuff. I don't, ask for any of it. This kind of just comes to my door and I'm really, really thankful for it. Regardless of like what the brand is or not, I'm like really excited and thankful that companies are willing to send me all these products for free. I'm gonna go ahead and make lunch. I didn't film breakfast in front of you guys, but I ended up going to Starbucks and I got a latte and an oatmeal just because I needed something quick in between classes. But right now I'm gonna make a dank smoothie because a smoothie sounds so good right now. People get really weird about having like liquids for meals, but I like love smoothies. They're super filling too. So I'm gonna make one for lunch and haters can back off. I have a lot of homework to do and editing and I have a lot of studying. So I'm gonna be sitting down doing a lot of that. I could clean my room because there are now a lot of boxes in here, but I don't want to. So I'm gonna sit down somewhere else. Welcome to where the magic happens. I've moved to my bedroom because I really need to edit and a lot of my videos are on my desktop. I just wanted to say hi and talk to you guys because I'm having a snack right now. My friend bought these crackers and left them here, so she basically gave them to me. Thanks, Morgan. These are like multi-seed crackers and they taste super good. I'm eating some fruit. Here's a mandarin. Gonna eat and edit. And yeah, basically relax, get some things done. I'll probably light a candle right now to set the mood. That'll be really nice.
Amanda, I'm so bad at focusing. What are you gonna have for dinner, Amanda?
Whole Foods salad bar. I know, it's like an exciting thing.
Professional filmer right here.
You're so pretty.
Hey, nice bag.
Thanks. Love arugula. Yes. Okay.
Tomatoes.
I know, honestly, best thing ever. Alright guys, and that was a day in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got to see what I ate in a day. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe because homegirl, it is free. Girl, what you doing? And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and want to see more of it. I also want to thank FabFitFun again for sending me that box. I really enjoyed it. They just recently released their spring seasonal box. There's flowers on it and it's like all spring themed. But yeah, that was basically it. I love you guys a ton and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.